Hello everyone, your summer vacation has started and you know that you have to do some projects. So in English too, let us do an interesting project. So open page number 74. So here project is given. What you have to do? So you have to plan an 8-day trip to Tropic Island and your total budget is 600 rupees. Okay, here the map is given. You have to start from the home and some points are given where you will go: Sand Isle, Breezy Bay, Midtown, Green Point, Port Cobalt, May Village, and again after going to all these places we will go back to home. Understood? So in page number 75 a table is given. Okay, so in this column day 1, day 2 up to day 8 it is written here. In the middle column it is written plan for the day, means what we will do on the particular days. Okay, in day 3 what we will do, in day 4 what we will do, and in this column the money that is spent on that day, it is to be written here. So based on this topic I have prepared a project which will help you in doing your own project. Okay, so in day 1 in your book also it is written where to go, how much money you have to spend here, all these are written here. Okay, so your budget is 600 rupees. You cannot go beyond 600 rupees. You have to remain within that budget. Okay, so here in day 2 take a cab to Breezy Bay, spend the day exploring the wildlife tour and camping trips, and the money spent here I have added them all. In day 3 take a cab to the Midtown, spend the day exploring the clock tower and the windy waterfalls. In day 4 take a cab to Green Point, spend the day exploring the great light and sound show. In day 5 take a ferry to Port Cobalt, enjoy the speedboat ride there. In day 6 take a flight to May Village, spend the day exploring the adventure land and amusement park. Day 7 take a cab to Breezy Bay, again take a cab to Sandy Isle and stay one night in the hotel. In day 8 finally take a ferry back to home. So in all these days how much money you have spent you have to write in this column. Okay, at the end of the 8-day trip the total money spent by me was rupees 595 rupees. Why this is so? Because our budget is 600 rupees. We cannot go beyond that. We can be within the budget amount, that is 600 rupees. We can be below 600 but we cannot go more than 600. Okay, so you have to remember that. So I hope this will help you in doing your own project. Okay, take help from this but make sure that you do on your own. Okay, so thank you everyone and enjoy your vacation.